Africa, a vast continent stretching from the sun-baked deserts of the north to the dense, uncharted jungles of the central regions, has once again left scientists in awe with a series of discoveries that challenge everything we thought we knew. Among them, the remains of the oldest dinosaur ever found have been uncovered. But that's not all. Traces of our ancient ancestors have also emerged, offering a glimpse into humanity's distant past. Join us as we explore 10 terrifying discoveries made in Africa. Number 10. Goliath frog, Cameroon. When people think of frogs, they often imagine small, croaking creatures hopping around gardens or ponds. However, the African Goliath frog is a true giant in the amphibian world and holds the title of the largest frog on Earth. This remarkable species can grow up to 12.5 inches in length and weigh as much as 7.2 pounds, comparable to the size of a small house cat. Its muscular body and powerful hind legs allow it to leap impressive distances of up to 10 feet, making it an agile escape artist despite its size. The Goliath frog, scientifically known as Conrawa Goliath, is native to the lush rainforests of Western Africa, primarily in Cameroon, with smaller populations in Equatorial Guinea. These frogs prefer to live near fast-moving rivers and waterfalls, where they find abundant food and suitable breeding grounds. Their habitats are characterized by a unique blend of flowing water and rocky terrain, which offers the ideal environment for their survival. Interestingly, these habitats experience two distinct seasons: a dry season from November to April and a rainy season from May to October, both influencing their behavior and breeding cycles. Adding to their mystique, Goliath frogs are mute. Unlike most frogs, they do not possess vocal sacs and therefore do not produce the typical croaking sounds associated with their smaller relatives. Unlike the typical image of a frog gulping down insects, Goliath frogs have a more varied diet. They are carnivores and feed on a wide range of prey, including insects, crustaceans, small fish, and even other amphibians. Their large mouths and strong jaws make it possible for them to consume prey almost as large as their heads. This hearty appetite plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of their environment, as they help control the populations of smaller species. Breeding among Goliath frogs is just as fascinating as their size. Males construct nests near riverbanks, meticulously arranging rocks and gravel to create a safe space for the eggs. This is no small feat and requires significant effort, reflecting the male's strength and resourcefulness. To attract a female, males engage in wrestling matches with rivals, a behavior rarely seen in other frog species. Once a female selects her mate, she lays thousands of eggs in the carefully prepared nest. However, the role of the male ends there, as no parental care is provided after the eggs are laid. Despite their remarkable adaptations and ecological importance, Goliath frogs face significant threats. They are classified as endangered, with their populations declining due to habitat destruction from logging, farming, and expanding human settlements. Additionally, they are hunted for their meat, which is considered a delicacy in some regions. The illegal pet trade also contributes to their dwindling numbers. Conservation efforts, including habitat preservation and hunting regulations, are crucial to ensuring the survival of this extraordinary species. From the lush rainforests of Western Africa to the arid expanses of southern Egypt, the natural world's marvels are rivaled only by the ingenuity of ancient civilizations, leading us to a discovery that predates even some of history's most iconic structures. Number 9. Nabta Playa, Egypt. Imagine standing in the vast, sun-baked desert of southern Egypt, about 700 meters south of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Amidst the endless sands, you stumble upon a hidden marvel, Nabta Playa. This ancient stone complex, often dubbed the Stonehenge of Africa, is not only older than its British counterpart, but also offers a fascinating glimpse into the ingenuity of early human civilizations. Nabta Playa dates back over 7,000 years, making it one of the world's oldest known astronomical sites. The site features a series of stone circles, megaliths, and other monumental structures that align with the stars, suggesting they were used for astronomical observations and possibly as a calendar to track the changing seasons. The most striking feature of Nabta Playa is the calendar circle, a group of large stones arranged in specific patterns. Studies have shown that these stones align with stars like Sirius, Arcturus, Alpha Centauri, and the Belt of Orion. This precise arrangement indicates that the builders had an advanced understanding of the cosmos, allowing them to predict celestial events and seasonal changes. The people who constructed Nabta Playa were likely nomadic herders, moving across the desert with their animals. Despite their nomadic lifestyle, they demonstrated remarkable sophistication in their knowledge of the night sky. This suggests a deep connection between their daily lives and the cosmos, possibly using the stars for navigation, timekeeping, and cultural practices. However, as Nabta Playa gained recognition, it faced threats from tourists who defaced the site, and some stones were even moved, altering the original alignment. In response, the stones were carefully relocated to the Nubian Museum in Aswan, Egypt, where they are now preserved and can be viewed by visitors in their original formation. Despite these challenges, Nabta Playa remains one of Africa's most significant archaeological treasures. It offers invaluable insights into the early human connection with the stars and stands as a testament to the ingenuity of ancient civilizations. Visiting Nabta Playa is like stepping back in time, allowing us to marvel at the achievements of our ancestors and their profound understanding of the universe. Yet, just as Nabta Playa reveals humanity's ancient connection to the cosmos, another mysterious artifact from a different corner of the continent beckons us to uncover its secrets. Number 8. The Sky Stone, Sierra Leone. In the heart of Sierra Leone, a captivating discovery has left scientists and geologists scratching their heads: the Sky Stone. This stone isn't just remarkable for its vivid sky blue hue, it's the composition that truly sets it apart. Unlike most minerals, which are blends of various elements, this stone is predominantly made up of oxygen, a feature that's both rare and puzzling. The story of this enigmatic stone begins in 1990 when Italian geologist Angelo Pittoni stumbled upon it in Sierra Leone. Intrigued by its unusual appearance, Pittoni sent samples to laboratories in Rome, Germany, and Tokyo for analysis. The results were astonishing. The stone was composed of 77% oxygen, 20% carbon, and lime, with traces of silicon and other materials. This composition was unlike any other found on Earth, leading researchers to speculate about its extraterrestrial origin. Adding to the mystery, local legends suggest that these stones were once beings that inhabited the sky. According to the tales, God transformed them into stones and cast them down to Earth as a form of punishment. The Sky Stone's unique composition challenges traditional geological classifications. Its high oxygen content is particularly intriguing, as oxygen is typically a gas at Earth's surface temperatures and pressures. The presence of solid oxygen in a natural stone form is unprecedented, prompting scientists to reconsider their understanding of mineral formation and the conditions required for such a composition. Some researchers have even proposed that the stone could be a remnant of an advanced ancient civilization. This theory is bolstered by the fact that many ancient African civilizations were advanced in various fields, including metallurgy and astronomy. The Sky Stone could potentially be a testament to their sophisticated understanding of geology and mineralogy. Despite extensive studies, the true nature and origin of the Sky Stone remain a mystery. Its unusual composition and the legends surrounding it continue to intrigue scientists and laypeople alike. As the Sky Stone keeps its secrets, a new mystery emerges, sparking global fascination. Number 7. Mysterious Monolith, Congo. In the heart of Kinshasa, the vibrant capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo, a towering, shiny metal monolith appeared out of nowhere, leaving locals and onlookers around the globe scratching their heads. Standing about 12 feet tall, this sleek, futuristic structure seemed like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Its mysterious emergence immediately became the talk of the town, sparking excitement, speculation, and even a bit of fear. The Kinshasa monolith was just one in a strange global phenomenon that began in late 2020, when a similar structure was discovered in the deserts of Utah. Since then, more than 200 such monoliths have been reported in various corners of the world, from the remote hills of Romania to the sunny beaches of New Zealand. Each one bore the same enigmatic metallic design and was seemingly planted without any explanation. In Kinshasa, the arrival of the monolith became an instant spectacle. Crowds gathered to inspect the strange structure, snapping selfies and debating what it could mean. Theories flew around like wildfire. Was it a modern art installation meant to provoke thought? Or something more otherworldly? Perhaps even a signal from extraterrestrial beings? Some linked the monoliths to the iconic sci-fi film 2001: A Space Odyssey, where mysterious alien monoliths played a pivotal role in human evolution. Others dismissed the extraterrestrial angle but still found themselves fascinated by the sheer audacity of whoever placed it there. But not everyone in Kinshasa was enchanted by the mysterious pillar. Within days of its discovery, a group of locals, wary of its presence and the attention it was drawing, decided to tear it down. Using sticks and brute force, they toppled the structure and set it on fire, leaving only charred remains where the monolith had once stood. Interestingly, many of the monoliths discovered worldwide have been revealed as pranks or artistic experiments. Some artists and groups have even come forward to claim responsibility for specific structures, calling them part of a broader commentary on human curiosity and our attraction to the unknown. But in the case of the Kinshasa monolith, no one stepped up to explain its sudden appearance. As the monolith in Kinshasa sparked intrigue, it echoed a deeper mystery, one that stretches back millions of years to a creature unlike any other. Number 6. Crazy Beast, Madagascar. Imagine a creature so unique that it seems to defy the rules of evolution. Meet Adelatherium hui, affectionately nicknamed the Crazy Beast. This small mammal roamed Madagascar about 66 million years ago, during the late Cretaceous period, a time when dinosaurs still dominated the Earth. At first glance, Adelatherium might remind you of a badger or a beaver, but a closer look reveals its true peculiarity. Its skeleton is unlike any other mammal from that era. For instance, it had more holes in its face than any known mammal, a feature that might have had sensory functions. Its teeth and jaw structure suggest a diet, unlike any other known Cretaceous mammal. Even its spine and hind legs were peculiar, hinting at a distinctive way of moving, possibly both above ground and underground. This discovery is significant, as it existed during a time when Madagascar was already an island, leading to an isolated evolutionary path. The Crazy Beast is a vivid example of how isolation on islands can lead to extraordinary evolutionary paths. Its existence during the age of dinosaurs suggests that mammalian life was diversifying in more complex ways than previously thought. The implications of this finding are profound. It challenges the conventional narrative of mammalian evolution during the age of dinosaurs, showing that mammals were not just small nocturnal creatures living in the shadows of dinosaurs. Instead, they were taking diverse and unanticipated evolutionary paths. This discovery not only adds a new chapter to Madagascar's natural history, but also enriches our understanding of the diversity and adaptability of ancient life forms on our planet. As one peculiar creature rewrites history, another ancient discovery takes us even further back in time. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick. The rural banks of the Mukwa River hid secrets few dared to uncover. Dr. Lian Cheng and her team of scientists, drawn by a journal from 87 years ago, ventured into the dense bushland to unravel the mystery of the explorers who never returned. By midday, they discovered a cavern concealed behind a curtain of vines. Inside, the air was thick and electric, the walls shimmering faintly. Then they saw them, 3 towering creatures with sleek, obsidian-like exoskeletons. Their elongated limbs moved fluidly, their luminous eyes locked onto the intruders. The aliens emitted low, guttural sounds, communicating in a way that sent chills down spines. As the team stepped back, the journal's warning flashed in Leon's mind. They watch, they wait, they protect. Suddenly, one alien raised its spindly arm, revealing a pulsating device embedded in its palm. A burst of light rippled through the cavern, and the walls revealed something horrifying, an ancient, dormant portal. After 87 years, scientists exploring Africa had made a terrifying discovery. These creatures weren't just guarding the portal, they were waiting. But for what? Number 5. Momosaurus Rathi, Zimbabwe. Picture traveling back 230 million years to a time when Earth's continents were fused into one massive landmass called Pangaea. This was a period when the first dinosaurs began to emerge and roam the planet. Fast forward to the present, and a groundbreaking discovery in the wilderness of northern Zimbabwe has brought this ancient world a little closer to us. In two expeditions conducted in 2017 and 2019, scientists unearthed the fossilized remains of Africa's oldest known dinosaur, named Momosaurus Rathi. This remarkable dinosaur represents a crucial piece in the puzzle of evolution. The name Momosaurus is rooted in the local culture, taking its name from Mbire, the ancient Shona dynasty that once ruled the area where the fossils were discovered. The second part of its name, Rathi, honors paleontologist Michael Rath, whose earlier work in the region laid the foundation for this discovery. The Momosaurus Rathi was a small herbivore, but don't let its modest size fool you. It was an evolutionary trailblazer. Measuring about 6 feet long and weighing around 60 pounds, this slender, long-necked dinosaur was perfectly adapted to feeding on vegetation in hard-to-reach places. This early species predates most other known dinosaurs, making it a significant find for scientists studying how dinosaurs spread and diversified across the world. The fossils were discovered in the remote Mbira district in Zimbabwe, a region that has become a treasure trove for paleontologists. The area holds sediments from the late Triassic period, a time when dinosaurs were just beginning to dominate the landscape. The discovery of the Momosaurus Rathi not only provides insights into Africa's prehistoric ecosystems, but also suggests that dinosaurs were more widespread and diverse during this period than previously thought. One fascinating aspect of this discovery is how it reshapes our understanding of dinosaur migration. During the Triassic period, Pangaea allowed dinosaurs to move freely across continents. Scientists believe the Momosaurus Rathi's closest relatives may have roamed in regions now known as Brazil and India, illustrating the interconnectedness of the prehistoric world. But the story doesn't end with the Momosaurus. The discovery has opened the door for further exploration in Africa, a continent often overlooked in dinosaur research compared to North America or Asia. Paleontologists are hopeful that Zimbabwe and neighboring regions will yield even more fossils, painting a fuller picture of life during the Triassic. This discovery also serves as a reminder of how much remains hidden beneath our feet, waiting to be uncovered. From its cultural ties to its scientific significance, the Momosaurus Rathi is a testament to the power of curiosity and exploration. Every fossil is a story. This one just happens to be 230 million years old. While the Momosaurus Rathi offers a glimpse into Africa's prehistoric past, another puzzling phenomenon in the Namib Desert continues to defy explanation. Number 4. Fairy circles, Namibia. In the vast expanse of Namibia's Namib Desert, a striking phenomenon captivates both scientists and visitors alike. Mysterious circular patches of barren ground, known as fairy circles. These circles, which range in size from 2 to 20 meters in diameter, scatter across the desert's grassy plains like nature's peculiar artwork. For decades, these formations have puzzled experts, sparking various theories to explain their origin. One of the most widely accepted explanations attributes the fairy circles to the activity of sand termites, particularly the species Samotermes alocarus. These tiny creatures are believed to clear vegetation from the circular patches to conserve moisture in the desert soil. In the harsh conditions of the Namib Desert, moisture is scarce, and these termites have adapted by creating this unique pattern. Their underground networks help preserve water, making it possible for the termite colonies to survive in such an arid environment. Some studies have even shown that termite activity significantly influences the formation and persistence of these fairy circles. However, not all researchers are convinced that termites are the sole cause. Another popular hypothesis suggests that the fairy circles are a result of natural vegetation patterns. This theory proposes that plants in the desert self-organize to maximize water availability. According to this idea, the grasses at the perimeter of the circles benefit from the extra water runoff that comes from the barren center, creating a ring of lush plant life surrounding the empty patch. Mathematical models and studies from other arid regions support this idea of self-organization, further fueling debate among scientists. Despite the compelling arguments for both theories, a clear consensus has yet to be reached. This ongoing mystery is part of what makes the fairy circles so captivating. Not only are they a stunning natural sight, but they also provoke deep scientific curiosity. Visitors who travel to Namibia often find themselves awestruck by these strange and beautiful formations, adding to the allure of the desert landscape. Some researchers have recently advanced the study of fairy circles, with growing evidence pointing to a combination of factors that might be responsible for their creation. The role of termites in initiating the circle's formation is becoming clearer, yet the self-organizing plant patterns may play a significant role in maintaining them over time. Furthermore, similar formations have been discovered in other parts of the world, such as the Pilbara region in Australia, hinting that fairy circles may be a more widespread phenomenon than originally thought. From Namibia's desert sands, we now journey to the shadowy depths of South Africa's sand forests, where a discovery both startling and beautiful has rewritten the story of one of nature's most infamous families. Number 3. Finder button spider, South Africa. In 2014, amidst the wild beauty of South Africa's Tembe Elephant Park, a remarkable discovery unfolded. A spider unlike any other, now known as the finder button spider. This arachnid, officially named Latrodectus umbuquan in 2019, is a member of the widow spider family, sharing lineage with the notorious black widow. What sets the finder button spider apart are its striking red markings on both the top and underside of its abdomen, a feature unique among African widow spiders. Adding to its distinctiveness, the female constructs smooth, bright purple egg sacs, each potentially harboring up to 600 spiderlings. This spider's habitat is as distinctive as its appearance. It resides exclusively in the critically endangered sand forests of northern KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. These unique ecosystems are under threat from human activities like illegal clearing for agriculture and wood collection, making the discovery of the finder button spider a touching reminder of the importance of habitat conservation. The journey to officially recognize this species was meticulous. After the initial sighting in 2014, researchers, including Barbara Wright from the Wild Tomorrow Fund, dedicated years to studying the spider. They observed its behavior, raised spiderlings, and analyzed its physical characteristics. Their efforts culminated in the formal description of the species in 2019, the first new widow spider identified in nearly 3 decades. In terms of size, the finder button spider is believed to be one of the largest widow spiders globally. Its venom is neurotoxic, and while a bite can cause significant discomfort, there have been no documented fatalities from button spider bites in southern Africa. Nonetheless, medical attention is advised if bitten. The discovery of the finder button spider not only adds a new species to the widow spider family, but also underscores the rich biodiversity of South Africa's sand forests. It highlights the critical need to protect these habitats, ensuring that such unique creatures continue to thrive. Just as one discovery revealed the secrets of South Africa's forests, another, buried deep underground, would reshape our understanding of human history. Number 2. Homo naledi, South Africa. Imagine venturing into the depths of a South African cave, only to stumble upon a discovery that challenges everything we thought we knew about human evolution. That's exactly what happened in 2013 when 2 recreational cavers, Rick Hunter and Stephen Tucker, explored the Rising Star cave system near Johannesburg. In a secluded chamber, they uncovered a collection of bones belonging to a previously unknown human species, now called Homo naledi. The excavation was no easy feat. The chamber, later named the Dinaledi Chamber, was accessible only through narrow, twisting passages. To navigate this labyrinth, a team of 6 women, all experienced in caving and of slight build, was assembled to retrieve the fossils. Their dedication led to the recovery of over 1,500 bone fragments, representing at least 15 individuals, a remarkable find in the field of paleoanthropology. Homo naledi presents a fascinating blend of ancient and modern traits. Standing about 1.5 meters tall and weighing around 45 kilograms, they had a brain size roughly a third of modern humans. Despite this, their skulls bore similarities to early members of the genus Homo, such as Homo erectus. Their hands and feet were strikingly human-like, suggesting they were adept climbers and also capable of tool use. This combination of features has sparked debates about their place in our evolutionary history. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Homo naledi discovery is the location of their remains. The deliberate placement of bodies deep within the cave has led some researchers to propose that Homo naledi practiced a form of ritualistic behavior, possibly disposing of their dead in a manner akin to burial. This challenges previous assumptions that such complex behaviors were exclusive to species with larger brains, like Homo sapiens and Neanderthals. However, not all scientists are convinced. Some argue that natural processes could explain the accumulation of bones in the chamber, and the debate continues as to whether Homo naledi had the cognitive capacity for such rituals. Recent claims suggesting that Homo naledi created symbolic carvings and buried their dead have further fueled this debate, with critics calling for more substantial evidence to support these assertions. The discovery of Homo naledi has undoubtedly added a new dimension to our understanding of human evolution. It highlights the complexity of our ancestral tree and suggests that behaviors once thought unique to modern humans may have deeper roots in our evolutionary past. As research continues, Homo naledi serves as a reminder of the many mysteries still hidden beneath the earth, waiting to reshape our understanding of where we come from. While Homo naledi reshapes our past, a hidden discovery in Mozambique unveils a world frozen in time. Number 1. Mount Leo, Mozambique. In the heart of Mozambique lies a hidden gem that has captivated scientists and nature lovers alike. Mount Leo, a pristine rainforest perched atop an isolated mountain. This ecological treasure remained untouched and unseen by humans for centuries, shielded by sheer rock walls that acted as natural fortifications. While local communities were aware of the mountain, the forest at its summit was only discovered by scientists in 2012, when biologist Julian Bayliss spotted its dense emerald canopy using satellite imagery. The journey to uncover its secrets wasn't easy. In 2018, Bayliss and a team of experts embarked on a challenging expedition to climb the mountain's steep, rocky cliffs, some of which tower over 400 meters. Once they reached the top, they found a world frozen in time. The rainforest was eerily quiet, with a thick canopy that allowed only a trickle of sunlight to reach the forest floor. This unique environment had fostered the evolution of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. Among the remarkable discoveries were species potentially new to science, including a distinctive butterfly. The isolation of this ecosystem had allowed life here to develop in ways rarely observed elsewhere. For scientists, Mount Leo offered a rare opportunity to study evolution and ecological processes in a setting untouched by human hands. Interestingly, the expedition also unearthed evidence of ancient human presence. Clay pots were found buried near a stream, hinting that people might have visited the summit long ago, perhaps for spiritual or ceremonial reasons. However, these visits were likely rare, as there are no signs of sustained human activity, leaving the ecosystem remarkably undisturbed. The significance of Mount Leo goes beyond its biological wonders. In a world where many primary forests are disappearing due to deforestation and agriculture, this untouched rainforest is a critical reference point. It allows researchers to study ecosystems as they might have existed thousands of years ago, offering insights into how nature adapts to challenges like climate change. Despite its protected summit, Mount Leo's surrounding lowlands face increasing pressure from agriculture and deforestation. Fertile soils in the area attract farming, threatening nearby habitats that are equally rich in biodiversity. Conservationists emphasize the importance of balancing the needs of local communities with preserving this unique environment. Mount Leo's discovery is a testament to the power of modern technology, like satellite imagery, in uncovering Earth's hidden wonders. It also serves as a reminder of the importance of conservation, urging us to protect these untouched ecosystems before they are lost to time. This mountain, with its untouched rainforest, offers not just scientific insights, but also hope. A glimpse into what the natural world can look like when left undisturbed. Mount Leo isn't just a place, it's a story of resilience, evolution, and the delicate balance between humanity and nature, waiting to be told and protected for generations to come. Which of these discoveries in Africa do you find most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below.